This is for leaders of a beautiful struggle. This is for Hassan Giordano. This is for Warren Brown, Dwight Pettit, J. Wendell Gordon, Ben Jealous, Adrian Jones, Vanessa Attenberry. Racism don't work without black cooperation. And the people I named been selling the black community out. Leaders of a beautiful struggle. Making a movie and a documentary about racism, about being black in white America. And I got it on my hat because it's in my head. Homeowner shoots and kills teen in a burglary, all right? That's Zion, all right? That's my son, Jarrell New Davis. So I got a vested interest in this. When y'all talk about the kids doing this and the kids doing that, yeah, well, my son did it. And my son was murdered. Because the story ain't what they say it is. It says right here, Zion officials in the Muslim community. The victim, Jarrell New Davis, was buried December the 11th by the family through the funds from a ceasefire. No, ceasefire did not fund my son's funeral. Ceasefire had nothing to do with my son's funeral. That's misinformation and FCC violations. All right. Dwayne Shorty Davis made it a top priority to bury his son and said he wanted to keep his son out of trouble by moving the juvenile to Baltimore. Yeah, my son was supposed to move to Baltimore. That's me. I started my business in 1997. Changed my product. I didn't change my hustle. That's Special Agent Richard McFeely. I'm a political prisoner living in exile in my own country. I hope this letter catches you in good spirits. I also hope you contacted my brother, William Davis. All right. William Davis is my brother, and he works for the government. 325. All right. This is my second request in the last 10 days for you to turn over all the material I mailed to you in person. All right. Your intake officer, Jonathan K., the videos, all right? That's attorney privilege. While I was locked up, I asked the FBI to turn over my case file because, like I said, I was making a movie. I was making a movie about Baltimore, all right? My son for identity theft, credit card fraud, theft, forgery, all right? These are the elected officials in the state of Maryland that have full knowledge of this. Merham, Robert Zirkin, Lisa Gladden, McIntosh, Telma Branch, Fadden, Jill P. Carter, Joan Carter, all right? President Obama said, go through my elected officials, and I have. City, county, state, and federal levels, all right? In the streets, we call it snitching. The government calls it a Whistleblowers Act. I'll stand ready for trial. Are you ready for Shorty? A.K.A. Dwayne G. Davis, political prisoner. And this is Governor O'Malley's breakdown. This is the role that the media plays in it. Like I said, FCC violations. Kai Jackson, Adam May, Bob Turk, Ron Matz. All of these individuals had full knowledge of me making this movie. Brent Jones. All right. And this is Governor O'Malley's crime machine. Shellenberger and Greg Bernstein. He's running a criminal enterprise. Judge Turnbull, Judge Pearson, Judge Holland, and Judge Previs. All right. He's running a criminal enterprise. Like I said, I was making a movie. And that's received. That's President Obama because he asked for an investigation in 2008. That's Spike Lee. He didn't want to talk to me about this. Spike Lee came to Baltimore and hauled ass. Movie's about this toilet. All right? Jesus had a cross. Martin had a dream. Malcolm got a gun. Shorty got a toilet. We all got our shit to deal with. This shows that I was making a movie. And it's about your prison industry and your politics. Criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger, April 2021. These are the people that know about it. Adrian Jones, States Attorney, all right? Jeffrey Shorter, Newton, Will Smith, Executive Johnny Oleski, the ACLU, all right? Everyone attached to this email has evidence and knowledge of my kidnapping in 2011. There's no statute of limitations on when the court commits the fraud. Everyone attached to this email can be a defendant or a witness. All evidence is testimony. And it's going to be a very public trial. Get Shorty. Get Shorty. That's what it is. I was filming a documentary about the prison industry. That's 2009. You got that? That's 2009. And these are the supporters of Shorties. And it's about your prison industry. The Baltimore County Detention Center. You're running a slave catching enterprise there. You denying people their rights there. And you got that there. I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. And like I said, this is a whistleblower from the county jail. That's 1986, and that's the ACLU. See that? I blew the whistle in 86, and y'all took that property. That's the Lake County board members. Lake County intentions of making a documentary comparing the plights of the judicial system, law enforcement department. All right? You had that. Dear Lake County board members. All right? The toilet. Dear Governor O'Malley, this is my third letter to you. All right? Get shorty. Get shorty. You got that? So Brandon Scott, you got evidence. You holding a book. Ryan Dorsey got the Jailhouse Diary. I was kidnapped by the state because I was making a movie about y'all. That's February 2nd, 2011. It's about the money you make off the prison industry, interstate compact. These are the cases. Either you a witness or a defendant. You just gonna snitch. That's the state prosecutor's office. That's the Secret Service. And these are the individuals that know about this. All right? That's my family members. They signed off on this. All right? My family members signed off on this. That's mail theft and vandalism complaint. All right? So Brian Frost, Peter Franchott, Governor Hogan, state prosecutor, Jake Davis, James Hammond, Deron Battle, Dwayne Gerald Davis Jr., Michael Coons participated in fraud. They didn't pay taxes in 2011. They didn't pay taxes in 2008. Bank of America, SunTrust Bank, Darlene Davis, and Paul Weinblatt. Those people stole $260,000 in 2011. No taxes was paid. And that's in my name. I need a federal and state audit. And when you do that federal and state audit, that was paying for my movie. Let Us Design is one movie. I had 14 movies. Get Shorty was a movie. It was all about the Democratic Party. It was about Hassan Giordano. It was about Ivan Bates. It was about Warren Brown, Dwight Pettit, J. Wendell Gordon, Frank Conway Jr., Frank Conway Sr., the Conway family. It's about black leadership in Baltimore selling out the black community. Leaders of a beautiful struggle. Where are you leading us at? Nobody want to say end the war on drugs. I went to jail to end the war on drugs. I'm a precedent-setting case. And you ain't going to get no justice. If I don't get no justice, you won't get no peace. Leaders of a beautiful struggle, where are you leading us at? You feel me? Open your mouth and stop taking that money. We're going to follow the money in 2021. I want a federal and state audit. When you give me that federal and state audit, Jake Davis, Darlene Davis, James Hammond, Paul Weinblatt, y'all going to jail. Deron Battle, Dwayne Gerald Davis Jr. Man, a family that's still together go to jail together. Y'all stole from your father. You need to go to jail. I just shot a video with my daughter, Leandra, and Leandra told the truth. We're going to tell the truth and shame the devil in 2021. Elijah Westbrook, Jane Miller, yeah, y'all can't keep protecting the corruption. FCC going to get all this information because I want my freedom.